Welcome to Folded, Creased, and Crumpled. I'm Tina.
And I'm Anna.
For those new to our channel, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on all your notifications. And also, leave a comment. There are so many items that we haven't even touched base on that I would definitely love to talk more about. If you want to see more unboxing, let us know. Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. I am so excited. Anna, guess what I have today?
Tell me, Tina, tell me.
I have our first box of Busy Bee Stationery. Yes, look at this baby. It is shiny. So, as much as I wanted to open it, I didn't, guys. I didn't. I had a lot of restraint. The only thing I did was I just ripped the tape open. Guys, I've been so excited about this. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Okay, I'm just going to open the box, guys. Ooh, okay. So, first thing you see is, welcome to Busy Bee Stationery. The theme for June is screen print your journal. Oh, so every month you get a new box and it's a different theme, which this month is screen print your journal. Guys, I've been wanting to buy a travel journal for a very long time. It's just kind of pricey, but I mean, this might be the step I need.
The incentive.
Yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so, okay. First thing we get is brushes. They're 4-piece brushes. They look really pretty. See that? Oh, I really like this. It is absolutely stunning. It is. So you get one round brush, one filbert brush, and then number 4, number 6 angular shaders. So they look kind of like what I would use for paint by numbers, actually. Yeah, this is like the sturdiness of it. So it's really pretty. I'm gonna take them out to have sorry, it's a little tough. It's all stuck in there. So everyone can have a closer look. This is really gorgeous.
Are they matte?
Yeah. It's rubber texture. The handles are rubber texture. And I'm just gonna zoom in a bit, get a better view. It's really pretty. The texture of the brushes are pretty much like a regular brush. They are stuck together, so it's not loose.
Yeah, brushes usually are glued. I use that term loosely. That way during packaging they don't get misshaped or or show any type of withering on the bristles. So if you just kind of flex the bristles with your fingers, like just bend them forward and backward, it'll break off whatever residue is on there.
Oh, yeah, I don't paint often, so I wouldn't know this. But thank you, Anna. Anna's got some knowledge for us. Thank you. Anyway, the handle is a very smooth handle. I really like the rubbery handle. So I'll put that back in. So then the next object we get is I thought it was a lotion. I was like, oh, they're giving lotion. It's a reactive screen ink. So I will show you this as well. So basically, this is what you would put when you're screening. That's cool. I'll have to learn how to do this. I've never done any of that before. So this is new to me. I'm really excited. So you know what I should do? Maybe I'll test it out and then do like an Instagram live or something of how I do the journal. So look forward to that, guys. But they give you it's a good size bottle. It is a 50 milliliter bottle of this screen ink. That's pretty cool. I'm excited.
Awesome. I can't wait to learn about that.
Woo! Okay. Guys, I have to get a travel journal now. So they also give us it's from Kane Company Smash. It's 2 pieces, and it's basically a band. So basically it keeps all your notes together. So if you have any loose leaves or anything like that, you just wrap this around the book or the travel notebook or journal or whatever you have. It doesn't have to be a travel notebook. It could be any notebook. So here we've got a black and white striped one and a turquoisey band. So both are really nice. I think they're rubber, so I'm gonna open it up. Yeah, it's rubber. Oh, this is so cool. I am so excited. I just can't hide it. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'll just take one. So, like, look at the elasticity. And then it's like the whole way around. It's not just one way. Woo! Look at this baby. Yeah. Anyway.
So, Tina, I have a question for you.
Yes.
These items that are in the box, can people go to Busy Bee and buy these items individually, or do they strictly do monthly packages?
They strictly do monthly packages. They don't sell things individually.
Okay.
I'm not gonna put it back later. Okay.
Sorry, well, we can talk about that afterwards. I know the unboxing is very important to you, and you're very excited about this product.
No, but you raised a good question. I don't want to forget to answer it. So I go through this company called Cratejoy, and one thing about Cratejoy is it has a million subscription boxes. So it's not just stationery. It has gender specific as well. So it has like if men's section, it has a women's section, it has a fitness section, it has like different sections. So, you know, and also there's obviously unisex, right? Like stuff that men and women can use together. So they have a bunch of that. So you can actually search specifically what you're looking for. So I always type in stationery, and that's how I came across Busy Bee Stationery is through Cratejoy. So I'll also link that below so everyone can click on that and find what they're looking for. Honestly, I've used it as birthday gifts. Like you could do a month where you just, you know, pay for a month, and then if you don't want it, you have to deactivate it. Otherwise, they start charging you every month. So don't forget that. And some of them, also look at the pricing. Some of them are under US dollars, and some of them are under pounds, like British pounds. And then there are some that are obviously Canadian too. So just don't forget to look at the costs as well. So that's, yeah, I'll link it all below so you'll see. But it's pretty awesome, and it's great for any occasion and anybody, really. There's makeup ones, there are bath bomb ones, there are even like for people who are into Marvel and stuff like that. So there's everything. Honestly, it's a great gift. Okay, so this is so excited. I've seen these done. I've never done them before. So this one here is a journal insert. So this looks like this is what I would be inking on. Yeah. So it has the instructions in the back. Okay. Let's see. It's a white cover. And then in the back it has instructions on what you need to do. I hope you can see it. Okay. So it tells you, so what it has, so I think it's all in the boxes then. Because it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's stickers, there are covers. Okay. I'm not really familiar with any of these, so I'm going to have to look in the box to see what else they have. I'm going to feel the texture of this cover. It's a journal insert. Okay. I just want to rip it out, you know? By M Ink. Okay. Oh, okay. It's actually, okay. It's journal insert as in kind of like what I was talking about, the travel notebooks that I want. So it comes with to create the travel notebook, it comes with like a cover, and then you just start inserting the notebooks that you want. So that's what this is. This is one of the notebooks that you can insert into your cover. It's just like a plain, yeah, it's a plain white book. There's no lines. The texture inside, though, is not my favorite texture to write on. So this, you would have to probably use a fine liner pen or a ballpoint pen. I think gel would not stay on. I think gel would smear all over this texture. It's very slippery. Yeah, it's silky. It's like a silky texture. So I feel like gel would definitely kind of smear if you write with gel. So you could use like a Sharpie type of fine liner, or even a Sharpie marker would work.
It's kind of hard to tell because obviously we're on the phone right now, but it looks like it could almost be like Bristol board.
It's smoother than a Bristol board, but yeah, it'd be like a thickness like a Bristol board, kind of, not as thick, but along those lines, to be honest. But yeah, I don't enjoy writing on those because I like using my gel pens. So a ballpoint pen will work. So we're good. We're good. Don't worry. It's still good. Now this is the cover. So this is the journal cover. So again, it's just kind of like a white simple color here. And then let's see. Oh, it's like a linen fabric. Cool. So it's like, sorry, not linen, canvas. It's a canvas texture. The journal looks like this. So I'm gonna try to inside. And the outside has the 3 holes plus the strap. So this is pretty cool because you can insert so it's kind of like exactly the travel journals that I want. So you can insert the journal insert like this. Let me show you. So usually people take the middle of the page, find the middle. Sorry. So basically they just insert it like this. Right in the middle, And then that's it. You have your entry. So what you can do is you can keep on inserting it, more books into it. I have to play with this because I've never had one before. So I'm really excited. But yeah, that's the gist of it. Ooh! Okay, here comes the fun.
Like a kid on Christmas morning.
I know. This is the fun part, guys. The stencils! Yeah! So it looks like it has 3 different stencils in there. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, there's 3 different types of stencils. I'll show you actually what it looks like. It first like this. I hope you can see it. And then the back, it shows you the stencils. All right, I'm gonna open it because, well, that's what I do. This is what I do. Anna, my place is a mess right now. Oh, so it comes 3 separate like that. So it's all packaged differently. So I'll show you. They've got a floral one. And then there's one, it's kind of like honeycomb. Those are fun. And
I'm
then
a huge fan of stencils. I'm a little jealous right now that I'm not there with you to check these out in person.
And then there's like, these ones have words. So they're not just like A, B, C, D. It's really handy. It's very positive. I really like that. Yeah, Anna, you should be jealous.
Are they a stiff plastic?
No.
Or does it seem almost like...
It's almost like a sticker. Sorry, thanks for asking. I keep forgetting to describe
So
these.
it's kind of like a plastic film?
Yeah, let me open one. You know? Luckily she's here, but not here. I would just been, I'm so excited. So when I'm this excited, like I don't think, I'm not even like thinking that I'm filming right now. I'm just kind of like, yeah, this is great. Oh look, you can put it in a notebook. It has 3-hole punch for you. So then if you're done, you could just like clean it off and put in a notebook. And it's not stiff, it's flimsy, but it's not cheap flimsy, you know? You could definitely, you can't rip it or anything like that. It's definitely made of plastic. But yeah, it's nice. Oh, I'm so excited to do this. Okay, I don't have the patience to put it back in right now. So I'm over it. Okay, and this is the last thing in the box. Whew. It says instructions on back. Okay. Oh, so this is the instructions. This shows you what you need to do. If you can see, it has the all the astrology signs on there. It's kind of cool. It's 8.5 by 10.25 inches, so 21 centimeters by 26 centimeters. And basically, you can put the screen over this. So you could use this kind of like how they have an example. I'll show you the back. It's bigger. They have an example there that shows you that, you know, you can create I love you to the moon and back, you know, and use that. You could color it. Well, I honestly have never used it. I think I said this 10 times. I should do a count of how many times I'm like, I've never used it. Is. But let me feel, ooh, okay. It's a sticker sheet, just like it said. So it feels like a sticker. The texture is, it kind of has like a little like furry fluffiness to it. Try to do a close up. It's definitely texturized.
Like velvet?
Not velvet. Can you hear it? Wait, let's do some ASMR. Hold on. Vinyl. What? Did you like that? It's vinyl. That's exactly what it is. I figured it out. It's a vinyl material. Yeah, and this is the sticker. But this is it. That's all in the box. But I will figure out how to do an Instagram live. And if you want to join in, we can do this together, or you know, or you can just watch me do it. But I'm really excited about this. Yeah, this is just giving me more of a push to buy myself a travel journal and do more of these things. So, I have been waiting.
That's my dog.
So we've recorded, since quarantine, Anna and I have done like, what, 3 recordings already? This is our 3rd one. And I've been waiting for her dog to bark behind the scenes for so long. And he hasn't until today. I love him. But yeah, so guys, this is it. This is my unboxing of Busy Bee Stationery. I will have all the information linked below. And Anna, anything else?
Thanks again for organizing all this on your own. I really wish I was there to unbox the stuff with you.
Me too.
And please like and subscribe to our channel. And I hope everybody is staying safe, happy, and healthy.
All right. See you next time.